is my strategy. I don't know if it's around or not. I just kind of figured it out on my own, but it works, man. I've been consistently drawing profits. I just finished the 10,000 a week for 30 weeks challenge and actually turned around 360,000 in 30 weeks in profit. This is my third or fourth account that I have. I actually took a bonus on here. That's why I'm using it for this, to show you guys what I do. Guys, I don't have to be as focused on what I'm doing, and I'm not worried about losing the bonus money or some of it. I invested about 20,000 into this account, and I got 100% payback from it, so I got an extra 20,000 on top. But as you can see, I already turned around 197,000, and I'm sitting in profit of 95,000. But anyway, let's get to it. I'll show you guys exactly what I do. So first thing, when you hop in, this is the screen you're prompted with. Scroll through here and pick something that has a 90% payout. Once you find something 90% payout, I went with this one right here. We'll switch it over to candles, and then we're going to switch it over to fixed time, and then put the countdown timer on right here. So what that's going to do is it's going to, each tick is going to be exactly a minute, and you're going to be bidding exactly with each minute of a tick, 60-second ticks. So what my strategy is, you're bidding the last color that it was on. So if this is red right here, we're going to bid red. If it's green, we're going to bid green. And as you can see, it never really flip-flops more than a couple of times until it gets two of the same color right here, then you switch one, again, two of the same color, and it just keeps going and going and going. But that's my basic strategy. And right here, let's say if you're bidding the last color, if you're bidding red here, this is a win. This is all wins, one after another right here. You're winning every 60 seconds right here. This is all money. And if you lose over here, as you can see, it's flip-flopping, not a big deal, because what you're doing is you're increasing the bid amount to cover your losses. So you virtually, there's no way for you to lose unless the color flip-flops more than 10 times back and forth. So what I do is I use this chart right here. Let me move it out right there. So this is my bidding chart that I use. The reason why I have bid 8 highlighted is because I have never gone over bid 8 as of yet. I just haven't. I haven't even seen anywhere 10 bids in a row where it has flip-flop like that multiple times. So, but to be safe, I try to deposit money enough for bid 10. And no, you don't have to go 102,000. You can use any amount of money you want, and this is going to work for you anywhere from $100 a week, $50 a week, upwards of $10,000 a week, which is my goal now. And I'll try to put these charts for you guys down in the description of the video, so check the link down below the description. Hopefully it'll be there. And let's get started. I'll show you a couple of bids here, guys, how it works. So since it's red, we're gonna end up bidding red. I play $100 bids to $200 bids depending on how I'm feeling that day. Like right now I should be playing $200 bids, but for the sake of the video, we'll stick exactly what the chart says. So we got it in, and we just wait for our 60 seconds. Now, if let's say we lost $100, right? So the next bid would have to be enough that the profit is more than $100. That way we get our money back, and we don't lose anything. And I always have my bid ready to go. If I lose, then I can quickly switch it and I can bid right after. So we'll see which way this one goes. Switch it so quick, it's hard to say. I think it's going to be a loss. So it's green, so we're going to bid green. There's no fancy charts, no nothing. You literally hop in, see how the trends are going. What you're trying to avoid, sometimes what happens is ticks like this, really thin ones, they're really hard to bid on because it can go either way really quick and you'll be missing bids. And what happens is when it's in a perfect straight line, it's just more difficult for you to bid. That's all it is. So you might miss these two right here where it just flips just two together and then switches over back to the other color. So you lost your chance to make your money back. That's what you're trying to avoid. So you try to find something where it's going in a nice wave, either down or up, it doesn't matter. It just has to be consistently moving. You go either way, either way. We'll see where he goes. I think it's gonna be a loss. So it was red, we're gonna bid red. And right now we are 220 in the hole, so we'll make $5 profit on this if we win. Yes, it's not much, but even when you're getting these small losses, you'll be making $5 to $10 for your time in a matter of what, 3 minutes? Not many people make fucking $5 in 3 minutes, so you guys are still doing good. And then you get this nice wave right here where you make your actual money on. So this might be a loss again. It might start going climbing back up. So as per the chart, we got a bid 550 to make our money back. Oh, look at that, it switched. Boom, we got our money back and we made a little bit of profit there. $5 profit. Now I bet our next one and we'll hopefully it'll be red again. We'll make $90. There you go. We just made $95 already in what, 3 minutes, 3 bids? Can't complain about that. You see right here, if we win, we're making still $8 profit for our time. $8 in a minute, not too bad. So it's a slow, consistent climb that you're making in your profits until you hit this nice streak. Once you hit the streak, you can increase your bids just by a little bit, and you're making good money. I'll usually go up to $200 once I see a good, consistent wave going down or up. I'm going to go on a bid 3 here in a second. If it's not going to pan out for us, we'll see which way it goes. That looks like it's going to be red, so bid 3, 250 as per the chart. So if I can put it on the screen for you guys so you have it here. Make it smaller. And we'll put it right here. That way you guys see what I'm doing exactly with the bids. Hopefully you can see it in the video. There you go. You can do that right here. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. So since it's going to go back up, next bid is 550. And again, we're making our money back. We're not stressing or worrying about it because we know one of these eventually is going to strike 2 of the same color, and then we'll make our money back plus a little bit of profit on top of that. And next bid. Which way is it gonna go? Where's it gonna go? I think we got it. Want it? Want it. See, it's green. So a big green. See, we made our money back. We're not worried about it, and we're betting the next one. We made $5 profit on top of that. So yes, $5 is not that much, $5 to $10, but you're making profit even on your losses. So you're securing your losses. You make sure you don't lose any money, and you're making small profits along the way until you hit a good streak. And you don't have to take my word for it. Just log into the charts, put the candles on and scroll out, and then just look through the whole wave and count how many times do the ticks flip-flop back and forth before it's two of the same color where your win would be. And like I said, you avoid these flat ones as much as you can. You try to get nice waves because then it's either climbing or declining with a couple of different colors in the center, and then the rest of it is consistent again. There you go, we won again. Made another $90. Next bid. Going down again. And make sure you watch my other video. Don't just watch this one. Watch my other videos as well, because I explain to you about the bonuses and where people mess up with thinking that binary options are scam because they can't withdraw the money, and it's essentially because they accept the bonuses. When you accept a bonus, you have to turn over your money 20 times. Whereas if you deposit your own money, you only have to turn it over once. And if you don't do it with your own money, you can still withdraw it even if you don't turn it over once, because it'll just be a 5 or 50% penalty. I don't remember. You'll just have to check that other video about binary options being a scam or not. And I explain everything in there about the whole turnover thing and everything else. What happened? You want it? Alright, I think we're gonna... Alright. As I was saying, yeah. So when you put your money in, you can still withdraw it. But if you accept the bonus, the company now gave you their money. So they obviously don't want you to withdraw their money unless you use it and you play with it and you consistently win. So they lock it down. So you can't even withdraw it even at all. Like, you can't touch the fucking money until you turn it over 20 times. That's why, like I said, I have multiple accounts that I use, and I use family members to sign up to them, or friends' accounts that I sign up with, and I use theirs for myself to accept bonuses and things like that when I feel like it. This one is one of the bonus accounts that I have. Give me 1 second here. What's the next one? 250. Don't want to miss my bid. Green. There we go. What was I saying? Yes, I use my friends' accounts to accept the bonuses, and my own account, I use only my own money. I don't accept any bonuses on it, and I refuse every offer they give me so that my own money is not locked. But like I said, I deposited $20,000 in here, and they gave me a bonus, and I'm already at this. So essentially, they tossed me a free $20,000. I knew I could win, but it's just as money is on hold until I turn it over that 20 times. So keep that in mind. That is where people mess up and they think it's a scam because they can't get to their money. But it's just because they were negligent and they didn't read the terms and conditions, which you should do regardless of where the hell you put your money. You got to read the terms and conditions before you invest your money into anything, right? Yeah, I think that's a winner. Oh shit. Grand. So as you saw, we got our money back and we made about $8 profit on it, a little bit more. Again, nice slow consistent profits until we get a couple of colors or 3 colors in a row. Then we make our $90 or whatever your bid is on your chart, depending on how much you want to deposit into your account. So maybe a loss again. Get ready just in case it is. And some days, like I said, if it looks like I'm having a really good wave and just I'm having a lucky day, I do bid a lot more than this chart says for you guys. I go above it and I place double bids and things like that to make money a little quicker. That's why my profits are not 949,450 a week. They're way more because I get those lucky days, as we all do once in a while, and I draw in those big profits, which sets it up perfectly for me. There you go, we won again. So I'll keep the video short because you don't need to see me bidding here for 3 hours in a row or an hour in a row, whatever I feel like doing today. Check out the other videos. I have recorded videos of me just sitting and bidding and trading for an hour, I believe it was, or more. And I'll be making more of these in the future of me trading, so you guys, there's some music over, so you guys can just chill, watch, listen to music and watch what I do exactly. And yeah, it's simple. I couldn't simplify it possibly any more than that. I was just trading one day, looking at all these crazy charts and crazy strategies that everybody uses with ticks, and then all of a sudden it fucking hit me. I was like, why am I bothering with all that shit when if you put it in a 60-second timer, it only bids so many times? So if I have enough money to offset my losses and double my money on every bid and continue on for X amount of bids, I know it's going to be the same color. I know I'm going to win. No fucking charts, no wasting time. Just sit down, have fun, and bid away and make your money. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out the link down below in the description where I'll try to put the Excel sheets for you guys to download for the bidding cheat sheets. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know what else to guys add for you guys. So have a good day. Make some money.